Beth, a skilled field technician, receives a call from her manager. She's been assigned to a customer site to assist with assembling a newly sold machine. A complex model fresh off the production line. Moments later, Beth steps onto the bustling factory floor, the air humming with machinery and movement. She pulls out her phone, opens the PDF manual, and begins studying the device in front of her. But as she shifts her eyes from the intricate machine to the manual and back again, confusion sets in. This isn't like anything she's handled before. Not one to give up, Beth reaches out to her supervisor. Recognizing the complexity, the supervisor loops in their service architect to provide expert guidance. The service architect quickly connects with Beth and suggests a game-changing tool, the Fekki app. Download it on your smart device, he says. It'll walk you through the entire assembly process, step by step. Without hesitation, Beth installs Fekki, scans the QR code on the machine, and something amazing happens. The app springs to life, overlaying interactive, guided instructions right onto her screen, tailored specifically for that machine model. With Fekki as her digital assistant, Beth begins assembling. Each step is clearly explained with visuals and guidance, making the once daunting task suddenly feel simple. She follows through until the assembly is complete. But Fekki isn't done yet. Now it walks Beth through the testing process, verifying functionality, calibrating operations, and ensuring the machine is ready for action. Satisfied, Beth turns to the customer with a confident smile. She not only informs them the work is done, but also helps them download the Fekki app and trains them on how to use it, from operation to troubleshooting. Finally, Beth checks in with her manager. Assembly complete, machine tested, customer trained, all done successfully, she reports.